Surfacing up a Big Tex dump trailer today. Let's get to it. Brakes definitely got hot. So let's tear it down, see what we got. Wonder if they're self-adjusting. I did see some cracks on the welding for the center equalizer. It's right on the center pin. I can feel it broken. So I'm gonna change these two center equalizers out. Driver's side front got hot. The only one that didn't get hot is the driver's side rear. Driver's side front. Oh, brakes are brand new, sweet. Magnet surface is good, shoe surface is good. They just need to be adjusted. Driver's side rear. Again, same thing. Brakes look great, they just need to be adjusted. Hub and drum is not, doesn't even look like it's working. Is there a broken wire? Doesn't look like a broken wire, but it's not working. Looks brand new, has no signs of wear on it at all. All right, let's do the other side. Passenger side front. Same thing, brakes look great. Hub and drums look great. They really need to be adjusted. That's probably why they got hot. And passenger side rear. Hub and drum is good. Let's label all these hub and drums so we know which ones they are. Passenger rear, passenger front, driver rear, driver front. Let's take these equalizers off. There's 7/8 for the nut, 13/16 for the bolt head. Center bolt on this got a cotter pin, so we tear it out. Pin is out, 1 5/16. Should go right over the top, it does. Shiny, starting to go, but not going yet. Out. Yeah, it's starting to go. Spinning inside the housing. Welds broke. Oh, good thing we're changing this. Make sure slipper pad goes on the slipper side. There we go. Pushing is surprisingly good on the spring, so we don't have to worry about that. It is under the spring. Retainer is good. Holds that front spring from falling out the bottom of the equalizer. On these Ottoman one, it's 1.5 inch socket. No side-to-side play. Everything is tight. Tight in the front and the back. Rear's tight. I was trying to find a specific torque spec for this nut, but everything that I found is snug because it is a locking nut. So you make it snug and then make sure there's play in the suspension system. These ones are the same thing, but it does say like 50 pounds, which is essentially just hitting it with the ugga. Make sure nothing's bound up. This is good. Driver's side's good on this side. Let's do passenger side. Cotter pin coming out. Powder coated just like the other side was. 1 5/16 takes this nut off. Out. And out. Same thing. Spinning inside the housing, and the welds are cracked. It is in the correct orientation. Slipper pad is on the front, spring bolt head is on the rear. Snug to leave enough room for play. Bolt is under the spring so it doesn't fall out the equalizer. Passenger side's done. Suspension's done. Let's get the hub and drums all packed up. Driver side rear, cotter pin is verified. Driver side front, cotter pin is verified. Passenger side rear, cotter pin is verified. Passenger side front, cotter pin is verified. Passenger side front, tight until it can't spin. Back it off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side front, good. Passenger side rear, adjust it out so it can't spin. Back off, slightly rubbing. I'm just gonna clean up this wiring up here. It doesn't have this twisty and stuff in it. Wiring is zip tied to the U-bolt, up and out of the way, will not get smashed against the frame and the axle. Go till it won't spin, back it off, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Front driver's done. And cleaning up rear. Shrink wrap's done, zip tied to the axle. Enough play for the suspension, will not smash against the frame between the axle and the frame itself. Adjust till it can't spin, back it off, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Driver side rear is adjusted. IPA Tools 4105 is plugged in. The only thing blinking is reverse lights. This trailer does not have reverse lights. Front driver marker light is on. Rear driver marker light is on. Marker lights on rear are on. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Marker lights are back on. Rear passenger side marker lights are on. And front passenger side marker lights are on. All lights work. Passenger side brakes, free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning, free spinning. Brakes work on the passenger side. Driver side rear, free spinning. Driver side front, free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, free spinning. Sweet, all brakes work. Pin is out, brakes are locked up, pin is back in. Brakes are free spinning. Breakaway system works. My customer had a little oopsie when he was dumping. The back doors weren't closed and it caught the top and ripped it. So I'm gonna take this hinge material off. The bases are still good. I'm gonna replace these two straps. Door pins are out. Yeah, mounting still looks good. Let's cut these flanges off. First piece is off. Get that as flat as possible. Weld it and then weld the top onto it. Sand it down. Clean and flat surface I can weld to. Got the door on, a little bit of a struggle session. I'm gonna tack on the door and make sure it swings. Beautiful. Let's weld her out. Unlatches, opens and closes, goes on square, tighten down. Let's clean it up, paint it black. Painted black, door latch comes up, locks on, holds the door swings home. Awesome, doors are good. Last item on the agenda, he's got some burnt up wiring that I'm just gonna clean up, cut out the burnt area. This wiring looks good. I only got hot to that one certain point. Shrink wrap. Cut to match length. Boom. Butt connector shrink wrap. Eyelet on the end. Gonna wrap it with electrical tape again. Goes up. Comes down. Goes up. Comes down. See if this remote works from far away. Remote does work from far away. I don't know why you would want to be this far anyway. And off. All right, remote works. Battery box is back on. I'm gonna actually plug it in to his outlet so his battery can charge because he's sitting at fair right now and he's got 2 goods to go. Battery outlet is plugged in. It is saying it is being charged and it is charging. I'm gonna see if the bolts on the bottom of this motor are tight. Now they're tight. And torquing lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. All right, so the rundown on the dump trailer. Did not need backing plates, did not need hubs. I did new bearings, new seals, new grease, 2 new equalizers, 2 main bolts, adjusted his brakes, rehung his door, put new straps on the back for the door, re-welded everything, checked all his lights and wiring, torqued his lug nuts. This job's done. I'm on to the next.